This is a product tutorial for Sense, a whole-of-government business intelligence tool that allows government officers to query their databases in natural language. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to perform basic queries, such as counting the frequency of an event, understanding the distinct type of categories in your dataset, and understanding the type of variables contained within your dataset. As with the previous tutorial, we will be using the COVID-19 case details dataset. Counting is a simple prompt. We literally ask Sense to count the frequency of occurrence of a particular value in our dataset. In this case, I'm asking Sense to count the number of COVID-19 cases in our dataset. This is a very simple query which you'll be performing very often. Next, you can also ask Sense to list out all the distinct values of any data field in your dataset. In this example, we're asking Sense to list down all the distinct names, all the public healthcare institutions visited by the COVID-19 cases. And the output should be a table showing all the unique healthcare institution names within our dataset. Finally, Sense is also able to tell us the type of variable contained in the data field. Let's see what this means by asking Sense what type of variable the age data field is. Sense tells us that the age data field is an integer variable, which makes sense since it's storing the numerical age of each COVID-19 case. In summary, Sense is able to count the frequency of occurrence of particular values in your dataset. It's able to list the distinct values of a data field and also explain the type of variables stored in the data field.